This video will show you how to use a RespiClick Inhaler. The RespiClick Inhaler is a device used to give asthma medications. First, wash your hands. Hold the RespiClick Inhaler upright. The cap should be at the bottom. Open the cap until you hear it click. This primes the dose to get it ready. Turn your head away from the inhaler and breathe out all the way. Do not block the air vent with your mouth or your fingers. Put the inhaler in your mouth and close your lips around the mouthpiece. Take a deep breath in. Take the inhaler out of your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds. Close the cap all the way. Repeat if more than one puff is prescribed, starting with opening the cap, then breathe all the way out. Opening the cap is how the medicine is dispensed into the mouthpiece. Rinse your mouth with water and spit. Check the back of the inhaler to see how many doses are left. The numbers will turn red when you have 20 doses left. That means it is time to refill the medication. Do not open the cap unless you are giving a dose. Opening the cap will throw off the dose count number. Clean the inhaler mouthpiece with a dry cloth only. Do not get this inhaler wet.